Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, before going into details, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Together we will grow Dogecoin. Can double very quickly. Trade at your own risk. Just because I have predicted a lot of this accurately does not mean it's foolproof, and does not mean that every single thing I say happens, so I'm always recommending you learn how to do it yourself so that you don't have to rely on someone else's technical analysis. And when I first started about 5 years ago, I was watching other people's technical analysis while I was learning about it myself, and after a while, years of looking at the charts, you can really easily see a lot of these patterns, and it makes it a lot easier. Even though it's still risky, especially crypto, it's still risky, but as long as you are aware of the risk and okay with it, go for it. But I think a lot of people are fooling themselves thinking it's just going to magically go up all the time. They don't know anything about Elliott waves, so if that's you, I have been recommending a book in a lot of my videos. Elliott Wave Principle by Forrest and Precher, and I'm also halfway done or close to it, making an online course that you could use to trade stocks or crypto, because these principles are the same for stocks or crypto, the chart and the psychology and how to read THGE chart and everything like that I'm using personally now. There are a million different ways to trade probably out there, but this is how I have been doing it successfully, and that that doesn't mean, like I said, it's still a risk, and I'm not a financial advisor. This video for education. So be careful and learn as much as you can. That way, when you are confident, you will know. And you will be able to confidently decide to trade or not, because sometimes staying out of a trade can make you money in the form of not losing your money. The awareness and the confidence is going to be a big part of it, and also understanding how the Elliott waves work is very scientifically based on psychology, and it's basically the psychology of buying and selling, the mass psychology MROE, like sociology. So we will see if this happens. We have been playing out 3-3, so that's why I think this is going to be another 3, because in here this was this 1 2 3 4 5 or a 1 2 3. This looks at first glance like a 1 2 3 4 5, but this wave 3 makes me think it is not, because inside of a 1 2 3 4 5 the subwaves also have to be, actually this one, the subwaves are 1 2 3 4 5. Alright, now let's see about this wave 1. Go to a closer time frame so we can see more. Let's look at the news now. Friends, how are the developments? I'm reading for you, listen carefully. We'll come back to the chart after the news. Doge price analysis. Dogecoin stuck within descending channel for 2 months. Doge price has been stuck in a 4-cent range the last week. 100 mega amperes continues to hold price down. Major support of 24 cents is close to breaking down. Doge price has been in a strong downtrend ever since Elon Musk's Saturday Night Live appearance. As of now, 74 cents marked the top of Doge, as it has fallen nearly -70% since. From the low set in March of 2020, Doge rose nearly 65,000% at its peak. This was one of the largest gaining cryptocurrencies in the top 500. With this data, it is not unexpected that Doge price cut its value by 70%, as large pumps are always followed by large dumps. Dogecoin has been respecting a descending channel for nearly 2 months. Bulls have failed to break above the top trend line of the channel multiple times, which have resulted in a drop below the median line, orange dotted line. Right now, Doge price has yet again failed to break above the top trend, which has traders wondering if another drop is to come. A break below the major support of 24 cents will likely result in another downfall and will confirm a short-term bearish move. Doge price analysis. Doge 4-hour chart. The 100 mega amperes has also acted as resistance for the entire month of June. At the time of writing, this moving average is perfectly in line with the top trend of the descending channel. This confirms the viewpoint that Doge must break the 26 cents to 28 cents zone to begin a strong revival to May levels. Support comes in at $0.214 and $0.166 if the bulls fail to hold the 24-cent support. While looking at the relative strength index, we can see there is much indecision, as the strength has been consolidating around the 50 range. A break above 60 is needed to see a strong revival. The MACD also confirms the view that consolidation is taking place and a larger move is on the horizon, as the MAs have been flat-lining around the zero value. Doge intraday levels. Spot rate, $0.243. Trend, neutral volatility. Low support, 24 cents. Resistance, $0.278. I have been expecting it to go down anyway for other reasons I said in one of my other videos, because it didn't look like the bottom, because I still keep seeing 3 waves, So, these had subways of 5, possibly also this could have been a 5 wave of some kind. If something like that did happen with 5 waves, you could even make a bigger wave like this potentially. That's if these subways really are 5s and don't necessarily think they are, but I am waiting for something else to happen. I'm not sure if it's gonna go down to 9 cents or not, or if it was done right here around 15, because I keep seeing 3 waves overlapping, so this is basically a big 3 wave right here. Like this, I had that at the beginning in a different color, and then I think it might go after it comes down, I think it might go up again. About the same size as this, something like that, which would be pretty ugly, but look, it would look kind of something like this if what I'm expecting happens. Something like that will happen here. Does that make sense? And then another wave will go down. Let's look at the news now. Friends, how are the developments? I'm reading for you, listen carefully. We'll come back to the chart after the news. Dogecoin. Daily Tech Analysis, June 2, 2021. It's been a mixed start to the day. A Dogecoin move back through to 37 cents levels would bring 40 cents levels into play. Dogecoin rallied by 13.57% on Tuesday. Following a 7.81% rally on Monday, Dogecoin ended the day at $0.3699. A bullish start to the day saw Dogecoin rally to an early morning high $0.3462 before hitting reverse. Dogecoin broke through the first major resistance level at $0.3392 before hitting reverse. Falling short of 35 cents levels, Dogecoin slid to an early afternoon intraday low $0.3112. Steering clear of the first major support level at $0.3031, Dogecoin surged to a late intraday high $0.3850. Dogecoin broke back through the first major resistance level and also broke through the second major resistance level at $0.3527. Coming within range of the third major resistance level at $0.3888, Dogecoin eased back to end the day at sub-37 cents levels. At the time of writing, Dogecoin was down by 2.32% to $0.3613. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning high $0.3760 before falling to a low $0.3562. Dogecoin left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. For the day ahead, Dogecoin would need to avoid the $0.3553 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.3995 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break out from Tuesday's high $0.3850. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and resistance at 40 cents would likely cap any upside. In the event of another breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at 45 cents. The second major resistance level sits at $0.4292. A fall through the $0.3554 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.3257 into play. Barring an extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should steer clear of the 62% fib of $0.2882. The second major support level sits at $0.2816. A sustained fall through the 62% fib of $0.2882 would form a near-term bearish trend from the 8th of May's swing high $0.7427. Looking at the technical indicators, first major support level, $0.3257 pivot level, $0.3554 first major resistance level, $0.3995 23.6% fib retracement level, $0.5691 38.2% fib retracement level, $0.4618 62% fib retracement level, $0.2882. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.